Microsoft and the MRTK3 team. Welcome to Oakland Ice Center here in Oakland, California. Personally, I've been dying to combine augmented reality with figure skating, and what better way to do it for this year's theme for the hackathon, a new way to solve an old problem. Now, I have seen AR in sports like golf, baseball, and even hockey. But what about figure skating?
The old problem I would like to solve is how to stay updated with the rules and judging system, especially as a coach. The first skating association was formed back in 1742, and the first rule book dates back to 1772. Now that's old. To be a coach in this sport, you have to be able to know all the rules of what a skater can or cannot do when their student is ready to compete. For the longest time, this required coaches to study the rules in what we call a rule book. A rule book is a physical book that contains all the rules and bylaws that a skater must follow, which is created by the U.S. Figure Skating Association Board of Directors. As you can see, a physical book might not be that reliable to coaches, who some still use this every day. Over time, pages can accidentally get torn off and lost, and after the 2002 Olympic figure skating scandal, the rules of the sport keep changing, which has also required coaches to print out the rules on paper almost every year. What a waste. Now, with the help of technology like smartphones, it is popular that coaches today can now check the rules on their phone. But to me, this still is not the best solution. To search through and read a 513-page document on your phone does not sound fun. And yes, the rulebook today is about 513 pages. During a student's lesson, to make things more efficient and reliable to coaches, I have created a prototype called the AR Digital Rulebook. Using HoloLens 2, the coach can film the student on an element and receive real-time results. In this case, I am focusing on spins. When a coach is unsure about their student's spin, they can see if it meets the rules by selecting the spin type, start video capture, and then based on the spin, results will pop up that show which spin was completed, the features of the spin, and even the current base value the judges would score it by if this was performed in a competition.
Beautiful. Great job. All right. And we see that Heather just performed a layback spin with a hair cutter feature, level 1 in the rule book. Base value is 1.5 for judging system. Yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and do a little email.
If either the coach or the student would like to watch the video and learn from it, they can enter an email to send it and then view it at a later time. This prototype is aiming to help coaches with making sure their students' elements are qualified and within the rulebook today. Also, this can help the student in improving their element by watching their own spins at home.
All right.
Now, with video capture, there isn't an easy way to actually submit the video to the user's email, but this would be something awesome for the future. And in the meantime, I just wanted to test the MRTK3 keyboard, as well as if the video capture could be sent to something like the Azure AI platform that contains a machine learning system of the figure skating rulebook. This would be amazing in order to have more dynamic results. And last, if a coach had a question about something within the rulebook, it would be nice to ask advice from another coach who is at a different ice skating rink incorporating Microsoft Mesh. The possibilities to help our coaches with cutting-edge technology is endless. And speaking of cutting edge, I hope you enjoy my cutting-edge prototype with your cutting-edge technology. So long from Oakland Ice Center.
Oh, you want to say hi to the camera? Here, I'll pick you up real quick. Whoa. Say, welcome to Oakland. Oh. You want to say welcome to Oakland Ice Center?
What can you say?
Say welcome to Oakland Ice Center.
Oakland to Oakland people.
Thanks, bud. Cut.